Number 13, we need to round this to the nearest tenth. So we'll identify what's in the tenth place. It's a 2, so we need to look to the digit on the right. If it's 5 or higher, we round up. If it's less than 5, we just leave the 2 alone. In this case, we're going to round up, and we'll end up with 11.3. Number 14, we're going to subtract. Remember, when you're adding or subtracting decimals, you always need to line up those decimals. And in this case, we're going to have to do a little bit of borrowing because I don't have anything to subtract 1 from. So I'm going to borrow from the 5. That'll leave me with 4 and give me 10 hundredths to subtract from. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Again, I need to borrow. I'm going to borrow from my ones place, and that's going to give me 14 tenths. So I can go ahead and subtract 5 from that, which is 9. Bring down my decimal. Again, I'm going to need to borrow. So I'm going to borrow from my... Actually, you don't even need to borrow. Basically, what I have left is 10, and 10 minus 9 is 1. So the answer there will just be 1 and 99 hundredths. With multiplying, you don't need to worry about lining up the decimals. You just need to just multiply as if you were multiplying whole numbers together. You're going to be doing a lot of carrying over. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry over the 1. 4 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Bring that down. 4 times 9 is 36. You're going to carry over the 3. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3 is 19. Now we'll go ahead. We're going to move over a decimal place since we're multiplying by 3 here. 3 times 4 is going to be 12. Like I said, we're moving over one place value. Carry that 1. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Bring that down. 3 times 9 is 27. Carry the 2. And 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 more is 14. Now we just need to just go through and add everything up. 6, 3, 7, 16, carry the 1, 6 and 1, and then count up your decimal places. We've got 4 decimal places that we need to account for. The number on the top is 1 decimal place, the number on the bottom has 3 decimal places. So we're going to place our decimal right at 16, between the 6's there. 16.6736 is your final answer.